this out, fellas. I saw it last night. I got a surprise here. This tire is junk now. I'm going home and I have to replace this. We're rolling, fellas. I'm a little worried about this tire because it's losing air through this puncture. I hope I'll make it home and change this thing. I could change it somewhere right here, but I'm going home anyway and I got spares at home, so 215 miles home. 69. Finally connected the I-69 with I-465 on the south side of Indianapolis. I'm about to get there where the connection is for the first time. There's gonna be many lines here on the 465. When they finish, this is gonna be awesome. Home. I'm gonna try to start the Big Cam Commons. This is it. Oh my god, that's a huge hole. That's a huge hole. Look at the size of the bolt, guys. It's the threaded one. Oh my. I'm just screwing it out. Ridiculous. Check this out. Yeah. Look at the size of the bolt. Brand new bolt. Ready to go home? Let's start this beast. $13 volts. Yeah. Whoa, I got AC pressure warning light. Nice. Blows hot. I love this truck.